In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make one-word SRT subtitles that you can import into any video editing application that supports importing SRT subtitles. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, the two free ways are number one, using Buzz, and Buzz is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. So that's a plus for everyone. And this is the GitHub page where you can actually download the latest release 0.90. And they also have a very good interface for Buzz for Mac users. And this is more or less to kind of give you what the kind of interface for Buzz for Mac looks like. Now, the Windows and the Linux version don't look so good, but they do serve the purpose for creating one-word SRT subtitles. So this is the first one we're going to use right here. So we've got Buzz Classic and Buzz on Mac OS. So the second one we're going to use is Subtitle Edit. And it's really awesome, available for Windows and Linux. As for the Mac version, there's still some issues, and that's why it's not going to be covered here until the day that it actually gets a full-fledged workflow that works really well. So you can either go to the pages, the links you'll see in the description, and this is the official website for Subtitle Edit. So let's begin with Buzz. I'm actually just going to open it up, and I've already downloaded and installed Buzz. So all I need to do now is just use it. So I'm going to click on the plus here and navigate to the folder with the video or audio I want to create one-word subtitles for. I'll click on this and then navigate to that particular folder. And from this, you may think there's nothing, but it's because the selection is on audio. But you can say all files, and I'll select the file I want to make one-word subtitles for. Click on open, and once you do that, you're going to get this dialog box, the model you want to use. This is powered by OpenAI's Whisper. So Whisper, Hugging Face models, Faster Whisper, or OpenAI Whisper API. Now I want to use Whisper, and the model is going to be the base model here. And then what do you want to do? The task to transcribe or translate. I want to transcribe, and once I transcribe, you can let it detect the language for you, and that is what I'm going to do. Next up, you have the option to set the word level timings, and this is where you get the one-word subtitles. So I'll click on word level timings, and you may either choose to click on either of these checkboxes for the export option, but I'll leave it out for now because you can do it once the transcription and subtitling is done. So once that is set, I'll click on run, and you'll see your file name and some few terminal pop-up. There's nothing wrong going on there. Everything is okay. So you'll see the file name, the model you're using, the task, the progress, the date, that is when it began. And once it completes, it's also going to give you the date and time when this was completed. So it's about to be done, and it's already done. So it's completed in 23 seconds. Really, really awesome to have that going for us. Now, if I double click on this particular line, you'll be able to have a preview of your one-word subtitles, and you can see the start time and the end time, and then that is the text that is available here. So you can see your one-word subtitles available for you to use. So if you have DaVinci, the free version that does not have the automatic transcription and captioning available, you can use Buzz to automatically create one-word subtitles for you. And also on CapCut, they don't have the option to create one-word captions per se. It's just that the presets they have supports like making longer captions one word, but one-word SRT subtitles are not available in CapCut at the time of recording this video. Now, if you're satisfied with this, just click on this particular drop down here, text, SRT or VTT. I'm going to go with SRT, and I'm going to point it to the direction of where I want to save it in the desktop, one-word subtitles, and click on save. And it's already saved, and then I can close this out. So that is method number one, using Buzz, the Buzz Classic. That's what I've used. It's available on Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. And if you have Mac, you can go for the Buzz on Mac OS, and this one is paid, but you also have the option to use Buzz Classic, which is free if you're on Mac. You can pay $9.99 for better looking interface. Now, let's go to Subtitle Edit, and this is the next one. And as of Subtitle Edit 4.0.5, this was released on 13th April 2024. There's these new fast options for PathView's faster whisper, and the option is called single word, and that is what we're going to target here. And I'm going to open up Subtitle Edit, and the version I'm using is 4.0.5. and the next option obviously now is just going through the paces. Go to video, open video file, select the video I want to transcribe and captions into one word, and we have our video ready. Now if it's your first time using Subtitle Edit, you may need to download some few things before you begin this. So if I go to video and it's my first time, if I click on audio to text, it would bring up FFmpeg. You need to download that. And once I come in here, you'll need to also download PathView's faster engine. If I click on this drop down, you'll see PathView's faster whisper. I'll click on that. I've already downloaded the engine and all the other modules I needed to download, and also the model. I've gone with the base model. Now, to create one word or single word subtitles using PathView's faster whisper, you'll need to click on Advanced, and once the Advanced dialog box comes up, just click on Single Words. Once you click on this, you'll see the parameter is applied here, --1_word2. Now, that's really awesome. I'll click on OK, and because I'm ready to generate my subtitles, I'll just click on Generate. It's going to transcribe the audio to text and then make our subtitles for us, and that is one word SRT subtitles, or whatever format you may need to convert it to later on. So there we go, it's done, and we have one word SRT subtitles available all the way to the end. It's done an awesome job, and now I can click on File, Save As, and then let's go for subrip. There we go. Click on Save, and it's done. If I navigate to the folder, you'll see that we have our subtitles here and our video. This one was transcribed on Buzz, and that is why it's giving us the transcribed on 23rd May 2024. That's the naming convention. And as for the Subtitle Edit version, it's this one. If I double click on this video, because they have the same title with this SRT, it's actually going to automatically play this. Let's just double click.
In this tutorial, I'll quickly show you how to open transcript.
You can already see that the one word subtitles are actually applied. That's really, really awesome. Now, let us test it out on CapCut. I'll open up CapCut and then import my video. Open and just add it to the timeline. There we go. And then I'll go to text to import my one word SRT subtitles. Auto captions, and then click on local captions. Click on import, and I'll choose either of the two. I'm going to choose the Subtitle Edit version and click on open. Once I click on open, you'll have it populate here, and I'll just click on the plus to add it to the track, and they're going to be added onto my track automatically. Super fast. So if I can actually move this to the side slightly to try and give us some real estate, and I can actually even maximize. You can see. Let's play.
In this tutorial,
I'm sure they are really, really tiny. So what I can do is highlight all the subtitles here. Let's highlight all of them. It's really, really small, and I can actually make them slightly bigger. So if we actually play this, it's just that we can also change the color to a different color that is going to be visible, whichever color you choose. Now, from here, it's all about you playing with what you can do, because with CapCut, there's a ton of options that you can do, but I'm okay with that for now.
I'll quickly show you how to open transcripts for videos you're watching on YouTube.
You can see your one word SRT subtitles are applied in CapCut. It's really, really awesome. Now, do this for any other video editing application that you have. Now you can repeat the process of importing the SRT subtitles in any video editing application that you have. Could be Filmora, it could be DaVinci Resolve, Kdenlive Live, Sony Vegas, Premiere Pro, whatever you have. But that is how you can make one-word SRT subtitle files for free using Buzz. I've used Buzz Classic, or you can use Buzz on Mac OS, the specific one, and also Subtitle Edit. It's super easy and super simple and free. So that's all I have for you today. I hope this video is of value to you. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, stay safe and never stop learning.